Good evening, everyone. Welcome again to one more video that I'm going to post on my YouTube channel tonight. Okay. Now this is regarding it's a small kind of or a rather minor formula. Okay, but it does include what you call a formula which is sum plus Vlookup. Okay, now we are presented with this kind of a set of data, okay, where the commission for quarter 1, January, February and March, earned by employees here is given. Okay, so what our manager wants, or if you go to an interview, what the interviewer might ask you is to go ahead and put in the name here and get a sum of this all 3 months for each of this employee. So the commission received for all these 3 months, January, February, March, for all these employees. So what is the trick here? I'll just remove the formula. I'll remove this also. And I'll remove everything so that I'll remove everything basically so that I can show it from your scratch, except for the the original data that is there. So this is the data again. Now how do we go about doing this? We have the name of the employees here, January, February, March, commission received January, commission received on February, commission received March. Okay, name of the employee here and the total commission that has been received for the month of January, February and March has to come here. Okay, so we will do here is, as usual, we'll do the data validation. Just just to simply type in the names might give in a somebody might make a mistake in writing down the names. We'll go to the data under we'll go to data validation tab, and then we will choose something like where is the list here. Okay, and then choose the source of the list, which is the employee name, and click on OK. So we have got a list of names here. Now keeping this blank, I'll go ahead and do the formula here, sum and then Vlookup. Okay, in Vlookup what we will do, we will choose the lookup value, and the table array would be here, comma. Now this is the crucial part here. We'll put in a curly bracket here, and since we want the month of January, February and March, okay, so we will put in the index number as 1. January is in the second column, so it will be 2 comma 3 comma 4, and then we'll close the curly bracket. We will put a comma here, we'll choose true, and then we will again close the final bracket to close the formula. Okay, so we'll get an NA here, obviously, because there is no name chosen. Suppose I choose James. I'm getting 8905.50. Let me check here. 8980. Let me just go ahead and do the same thing here. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just randomly to choose Jones. Jones is okay, it's matching. I'll choose Sally 11011. Okay, Jim 8148.90. That's okay. ln 7706, okay, correct. Alex 999897490. Perfect. So our formulas is correct. This is a short video. I'll come up with better ones today or tomorrow. Okay, but I think this will be a pretty helpful for you who can use this kind of a formula where you're asked to use the sum and the VLOOKUP together to find out, okay, the particular amount of commission that has been received over a period of months. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and do have a great day. Bye. Thank you.